My name is Stuart Topp. I'm here today to tell you about a brand new tool I've invented for attaching face frames to cabinet boxes. I call it the BlindStapler. As a cabinet maker for almost 50 years, I know that one of the most time-consuming and tedious parts of cabinet construction is attaching the face frame to the cabinet box. I've invented this pneumatic tool that I believe will change the cabinet industry forever by installing the face frame better and in seconds, which save both time and money. This is the BlindStapler. It weighs about 7 pounds. It's easy to use and it's made here in the USA. The BlindStapler was designed to leave no marks in the face of the cabinet, meaning there's no more putty, Bondo, sanding multiple times to get a good looking finish. And as you know, if you build hardwood cabinets with clear coat, you always will see whatever putty marks are in them, no matter what. Of course, no one needs to tell you what a huge savings in time and labor this tool will bring. Smaller shops are reporting to me that not having to putty and sand the face frames, their labor savings are amounting to $22,000 to $24,000 per year. If you pre-finish the cabinetry, the savings in masking, cardboarding, taking large cabinets to the spray booth instead of just the parts that need to be finished, the savings in time and labor will be much more significant. And always, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not 100% satisfied. Thanks a lot.